Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back or welcome back to the channel. Those all are new here, then hello, I am Parul Chauhan. I make videos related to makeup, skincare, what's so on. So in today's video, we are gonna be creating this beautiful sunset eye look. I am in love with this eye look, literally. So yes, if you wanna know how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. पर आगे बढ़ने से पहले make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button. And also follow me on my Instagram for my personal updates. You gonna enjoy my Instagram, सच में. So yes, without any further ado, let's just get started with today's video. So guys, starting off with the makeup base. For that I have this Good Vibes Rose Hip Serum. This can be used as your makeup base. So yeah, I'm gonna take 2 to 3 drops all over my face and I'm gonna massage it very well and massage your face for about 1 minute, because ये हम लोग editing करते हैं तो हम लोग काफ़ी सारे shots काट देते हैं, but you have to massage it very well. Now I'm gonna take the Plum Green Tea Mattifying Moisturizer. Now I'm gonna massage it all over my face again. Now moving on to the next step, that is going to be a foundation. For foundation, I'm gonna use this Superstay 24 Hours Full Coverage Foundation by Maybelline. Now I'm gonna dot it all over my face and I'm gonna blend it with the beauty blender. And always remember that you should have to take your time in blending, because जब तक blending अच्छी नहीं होगी तो your foundation will not look good as such. So yes, I'm gonna take time in blending. So yeah. Moving on to the next step. Now I'm gonna use this palette for concealer. I will apply this concealer on my dark areas like under my eyes, around my mouth. So yes, I'm gonna apply it and blend it together. Now moving on to the next step, that is going to be eyebrows. For eyebrow, I'm gonna take this Nykaa Wow My Brow eyebrow palette. Now I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna take some translucent powder and I'm gonna bake under my eyes, bridge of my nose, around my mouth, so that कि वो crease ना करे. So yes, moving on to the next step, that is going to be a contour. Now I'm gonna take the contour shade from this palette. It has 3 beautiful shades in it: contour, blush, highlighter. So I'm gonna contour my face with the same palette. And this palette, this is by Sugar, and I'm gonna link it down in my description box. Don't forget to check that out also. Now I'm gonna dust off my all excess जो भी हमारा baking से था. Now I'm gonna take this same palette by taking the blush shade right here. So I'm gonna apply it all over my cheeks and थोड़ा सा temple area पे भी हम apply करेंगे. Now contour को थोड़ा और pop up करने के लिए I'm gonna sharpen it up like this. Now I'm gonna take the highlighter palette in the variant 01 Glow Genius. Now I'm gonna take the middle shade and gonna apply it on my highest points of my face. Let's move on to the most awaited part, that is going to be our eyes obviously. For that I'm gonna use the Regeneration Pro Revolution palette. So I'm gonna take the fluffy blending brush. I'm gonna place orange shade all over my crease area. As you can see, take your time to placing it up. कोई भी जल्दी नहीं है तो yes, please take your time to placing it up. Now I'm gonna take the fluffy blending brush. I'm gonna blend this all so that there's no harsh line like this. I'm gonna blend it. Take your time in blending too. Look at that blending, guys. Now I'm gonna take the dark purple shade from the same palette and gonna apply it on my outer V and in my inner corners like this. Now I'm gonna take the orange shade and gonna apply it along with the purple shade like this. Now I'm gonna blend the edges so that there's no harsh line left. Now I'm gonna take the yellow shade and gonna apply it on my lid area for final touch I'm gonna again blend this all out. चलो अब थोड़ा transition कर लेते हैं, ये mandatory बन चुका है अब. Now I'm gonna take the same highlighter palette that I used earlier. Now I'm gonna highlight in my inner corners a brow bone, as you can see. Now I'm gonna take the gel eyeliner. This is by Maybelline. Now I'm gonna apply it on my lash line. बहुत ही पतला liner I'm gonna apply it. Be careful while applying your liners. Now I'm gonna take the I Am Black Kajal. This is by Nykaa. Now I'm gonna apply it on my lower lash line. मेरे पास sharpener नहीं था उस वक्त, that's why I'm using the brush that I used earlier. And I'm gonna tighten up the upper lash line like this. Now I'm gonna apply a mascara. This is by Hypercurl Mascara by Maybelline. I just love this mascara. I use this in my every single video. So yes. Now coming to the lipstick. For lipstick I'm gonna apply this Wonder Puff in the shade Dream On. This is by Nykaa. Now coming to the last part. Now I'm gonna set my face with this Plum Uggsy Buckton facial mist. This is a very good facial mist. This can be used as your makeup fixer, that's why I'm using it. I love this product. So guys, this is how my look turned out and I am super duper excited and I'm loving this look madly क्योंकि I didn't expect कि इतना अच्छा निकल के आएगा. I have an ideas in my mind but I didn't expect कि ये इतना अच्छा निकल के आएगा. Look at that. I am in love with this eye makeup look. So अगर आप beginner भी हो और if you are a makeup artist then you should try this look. You're gonna love this look. This is so tasty and so beautiful. So yes, I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also let me know in my comment section box how did you like this makeup look. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and stay sundar. So yes, bye bye guys, I love you so much. Bye.